Hey there, sugar addicts! Are you addicted to sugar and can't resist the temptation of sweets and sugary drinks? Do you want to know what happens to your body when you cut out sugar for 30 days? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of sugar addiction and talk about the benefits of going sugar-free for 30 days. You will also get to see the changes that will happen to your body along the 30 days of your sugar-free journey. Sugar is one of the most addictive substances on the planet, and it's found in almost everything we eat and drink. Cutting it out of your diet can be challenging, but the benefits are worth it. Firstly, cutting out sugar can help you lose weight. Sugary foods and drinks are loaded with empty calories that don't provide any nutritional value. When you cut them out of your diet, you'll be reducing your calorie intake and forcing your body to burn fat for energy instead. By eliminating sugar from your diet, you may find that you naturally consume fewer calories overall and shed some unwanted pounds. Secondly, cutting out sugar can improve your skin. Sugar is known to cause inflammation, which can lead to acne and other skin issues. When we consume sugar, it triggers a process called glycation, which damages collagen and elastin, the two proteins that are essential for maintaining our skin's elasticity and firmness. This process can lead to premature aging and cause wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. By cutting it out of your diet, you may notice clearer, brighter, and healthier-looking skin. Thirdly, cutting out sugar can improve your mood. When you consume sugar, your body produces a large amount of insulin to help process it. This insulin spike can lead to a sudden drop in blood sugar levels, also known as a sugar crash. This sugar crash can cause feelings of fatigue, irritability, and even depression. Additionally, consuming sugar can also lead to imbalances in gut bacteria, which can negatively impact your mood as the gut and the brain are intimately connected. Consuming too much sugar can lead to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria in the gut, which can negatively impact the production of neurotransmitters and lead to mood imbalances. By cutting it out of your diet, you may experience more stable energy levels and a more positive outlook on life. Now that you know the benefits of cutting out sugar, let's take a closer look at what happens to your body when you cut out sugar for 30 days. At day 1, you may experience some cravings and withdrawal symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, and irritability. This is because sugar is addictive and your body is used to getting a sugar fix. But don't worry, it's normal and it will pass. To help you get through the cravings, make sure you have healthy snacks on hand like nuts, fruits, and vegetables. Drinking plenty of water can also help to flush out toxins and reduce the intensity of withdrawal symptoms. It's important to remember that the first few days are the hardest, but it will get easier as your body adjusts to the new, sugar-free lifestyle. At day 5, you may notice an improvement in your energy levels. Without the constant sugar crashes, your body can regulate your blood sugar levels better, giving you more stable energy throughout the day. You might also experience an increase in mental clarity and focus as your brain adjusts to the new energy source. This can be a great motivation to continue your sugar-free journey as you start to see and feel the benefits of a low-sugar diet. However, it's important to note that some people may still experience mild withdrawal symptoms such as cravings and headaches, especially if they were consuming a lot of sugar before starting the 30-day challenge. Remember to stay hydrated and eat plenty of whole foods to help your body adjust and minimize any discomfort. At day 10, you may start to notice some changes in your taste buds. Foods that you used to find bland may now taste sweeter, and you may appreciate the natural sweetness in fruits and vegetables. This is because when you consume high amounts of sugar regularly, your taste buds can become desensitized to sweetness. As you start to cut out sugar, your taste buds begin to recalibrate, and you may start to taste the natural sweetness in foods you never realized were sweet before. This can be a great opportunity to explore new foods and recipes that you may not have enjoyed before. You may also find that you no longer crave sugary foods and instead find satisfaction in healthier options. It's amazing how much our taste buds can change in just a few short weeks. At day 15, you may start to see some changes in your waistline. By cutting out sugar, you're likely consuming fewer calories, and you may start to notice some weight loss. Additionally, the reduction in inflammation caused by sugar consumption can also lead to a decrease in belly fat. This is because sugar causes the body to produce more insulin, which can lead to the accumulation of fat around the waistline. By eliminating sugar from your diet, you're reducing your insulin levels, which can help to decrease belly fat over time. At day 20, you may start to feel less bloated and have better digestion. Sugar can disrupt your gut bacteria, leading to digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and constipation. By cutting out sugar, you're giving your gut a chance to heal and balance. This can lead to improvements in your digestion, such as less bloating and more regular bowel movements. You may also notice that you're not experiencing as much discomfort after eating as you used to. Additionally, with better digestion, you may also find that you have more energy and feel more alert throughout the day. This is because your body is able to absorb the nutrients from the food you eat more efficiently when your digestive system is functioning properly. So not only can cutting out sugar lead to a flatter stomach, but it can also improve your overall gut health and well-being. At day 30, you may feel like a new person. By now, you've gone a full month without sugar, and you may have noticed significant improvements in your health and well-being. You may have lost weight, have clearer skin, and feel more energized and positive. In addition to the physical benefits, you may have also developed a better relationship with food and gained more control over your cravings. You may have discovered new ways to satisfy your sweet tooth without relying on sugary treats. But the journey doesn't end here. Cutting out sugar is just one step towards a healthier lifestyle. It's important to continue making conscious choices about what you eat and drink, and to maintain a balanced diet that provides your body with the nutrients it needs. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to sugar and hello to a healthier you, give it a try. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on living a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching.